Good morning, students. Welcome to Suraj School Bhiwadi. Today, I, Taruna Saini, will continue the same chapter, that is chapter 1, number systems. And today, we are going to discuss page number 7 and 8. And our topic is presentation of real numbers on number line. Okay, so we will present irrational numbers today. So, in this, we will use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so do you know what is Pythagoras theorem? This is Pythagoras theorem. The square of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. Suppose I am drawing a right angle triangle A, B, C. Then the square of hypotenuse of a right angle triangle. This is the hypotenuse. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. Other two sides are AC and BC. Fine. So this is Pythagoras theorem and it always applies in a right angle triangle. A right angle triangle is a triangle having one angle 90 degree. So today we will study how to represent root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7 and many more irrational numbers. And the agenda of all is Pythagoras theorem. So you can have a look. Pythagoras theorem, you know. Suppose we are drawing a number line and we will construct a triangle OAC. Suppose this is O and this is number line 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, positive infinity, minus infinity, and we are taking OA, let this be A, okay, and we will draw an angle of 90 degree at A. Here I will draw an angle of 90 degree. Either you can take help of compass or you can use your D. Then let me increase. Now AC will be cut at A at 1 centimeter. So this is your 1 centimeter. Okay. So you will put your compass here and you will draw an arc. By putting your compass at A, you will draw an arc that is C, that is equal to 1 centimeter. This is 1 centimeter. This also 1 centimeter. So this is hypotenuse. So this is root 2. We have learned now 1 square plus 1 square 2. So this is root 2. And you know that whenever we use, now we will take this point O with a center and OC as a radius, and we will draw by filling the distance in the compass. It will meet somewhere between 1 and 2. So this is your 1, this is your root 2. Understand? Let us have a look again. We will draw a number line. We will take O, we will take A, 1 centimeter. At A we draw an angle of 90 degree. We cut C 1 centimeter. We join it. This is root 2. So this is center, this is radius, join it here. So you get root 2. Fine. So this is how to prepare root 2. Then root 3. Root 3. How we will write the root 3? See. 3 can be written as 2 plus 1 and 2 is written as square of root 2 and 1 is written as square of 1. So 3 can be written as root 3. So what do you see? See, by preparing root 2 as the base and 1 centimeter as the perpendicular, we get root 3. So how we will prepare this? Let us take a number line. Let us take a number line. Take is negative infinity, take is positive infinity. This is 0. This is a 1 centimeter. You will make an angle of 90 degree. Cut it 1 centimeter. Join it. This is root 2. Now here you have to draw an angle of 90 degree and cut again 1 centimeter. This is your base, this is a perpendicular, so this is your hypotenuse. Now by filling distance O to this is C, let it be D, filling distance OD, and you will draw here, you will get root 3. Root 3 value is 1.732, so it will again lie between 1 and 2. You can measure it by ruler also. Okay, so for preparing root 3 you have to prepare root 2. Now if you want to prepare root 5, it is easy because 5 can be presented as 2 square plus 1 square. So when you draw the hypotenuse, you will get root 5 very easily. So again take a number line, positive, negative, here 0, this is 2 centimeter. Okay, so what you have taken base 2 centimeter. Now we will draw an angle of 90 degree, cut it by 1 centimeter. Now this is your hypotenuse and this is root 5. Now by filling O as the center, filling distance root 5, we draw a number line root 5. Root 5 value is 2.236, so definitely you will get it between 2 and 3. So in this way you can prepare your diagrams. So 1, देन आपने यहाँ पे 1 सेंटीमीटर कट किया, दिस इज़ रूट 2, आर्क से मिलाया तो यहाँ पे रूट 2 आ गया. यहाँ पे अगेन आपने 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनाया, कट किया तो यहाँ से आपका है रूट 3. अगेन 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनाओगे तो देन 2 मीन्स रूट 4, देन रूट 5 एंड सो ऑन. दिस इज़ योर स्क्वायर रूट, दिस इज़ योर work. We have learned how to prepare root 2, I told you. Okay, 1 base, 1 perpendicular, and this is hypotenuse. Okay, and then root 3 we have learned. And then exercise 1.2, state whether the following are true or false. Every irrational is a real. हर एक irrational number real है, yes. Every point on the number line is of the form, yes. Every real number is an irrational number, no, because real number also has rational also. Are the square roots of all positive integer irrational? No, क्योंकि there is a irrational number 4 which is a rational. So सभी positive number के square roots irrational नहीं होते. Now how to represent root 5 we have done. Then classroom activity, constructing the square root spiral. Okay, so this here is the spiral. You will go on preparing this. See, here is the square root spiral. So you go on proceeding by drawing all the numbers. So I will tell you how to prepare. Suppose this is root, this is 0, this is 1. So firstly you prepare by cutting 1, root 2, then by making an angle of 90 degree, this is 1 centimeter. Again you will prepare root 3. Okay, then again you will prepare an angle of 90 degree, then what you get, root 4, then again you prepare 90 degree angle, and then you will get root 5. So you will follow this procedure and you will get your square root spiral. Proceed this at least 7 times. Okay, I hope that you understand. Thank you so much.